Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of large language models, or LLMs. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know them better than your own family and probably like them more too. Let's get started. So, what is a large language model? Imagine a super smart parrot that can not only repeat what you say, but also understand and generate text like a human. But unlike your average Polly, it won't steal your snacks or scream at 3 a.m. LLMs are a type of artificial intelligence designed to understand and generate human language. Think of them as the brains behind chatbots, virtual assistants, and even some of your favorite writing tools. Let's break down the components of these language wizards. There are three main parts. 1. Input data. First, they need a lot of text data. I mean a lot. Like, more text than your uncle's Facebook. 2. Neural network architecture. Next, we have the neural network, which is like the brain's wiring. For LLMs, we usually use architectures like transformers, not the kind that... 3. Training process. Lastly, there's the training process, where the model learns from all that text. It's like studying for exams, but instead of cramming the night before, LLMs take weeks or even months to train. So, how do LLMs actually work? It's a bit like making a perfect cup of coffee. You start with good beans, your data. You grind them up, which is like processing the data. Then you brew it, which is the training phase, where all the magic happens. The result? A model that can generate text, answer questions, and even write poetry. But beware, it might just become the next Shakespeare and... Now, let's see some real-life examples of LLMs in action. Chatbots. Ever wondered how customer support chats seem so human? Yup, LLMs at work. Except they don't need coffee breaks. Content creation. From writing news articles to creating social media posts, LLMs are becoming the unsung heroes of content creation. They might even write this script someday. Oh, translation services. Tools like Google Translate use LLMs to understand and translate languages. No more embarrassing translation fails. Well, mostly. So, how can we use LLMs in data analytics? Picture this. You have tons of data and need to find insights. LLMs can help by summarizing reports, generating insights, and even predicting trends. They can also help with automating repetitive tasks like data cleaning and report generation. Think of them as your super efficient intern who never asks for a raise. Large language models are versatile, powerful, and occasionally a little too sharp. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye.